Hello, today we are painting glitter safety eyes using actual glitter rather than glitter paint. Glitter paint works great and there's a lot of cool colors that you can get, but what I love about glitter is by itself it comes in a ton of colors. I have like a platinum silver here, kind of a chocolate brown, and this kind of burnt orange, well, a little bit brighter than burnt orange, and this way I can make custom colored glitter eyes rather than just using one color glitter or one color paint. So what I'm going to do is we're going to paint these. These are cat eyes, 18mm cat eyes. And what I've done is these are Play-Doh. And they're hard now. And what I did is I smooshed an eye down into them a long time ago. And then let that dry. And now I have these cute little wells, and they're nice to hold my eyes upright so that they stay steady for me while I'm working. And then we're going to use Mod-Podge to mix together our glitter. Obviously a paintbrush and a palette, and then my secret weapon, a Ziploc bag. I will show you what we do with the Ziploc bag here in a minute. But the first thing we need to do is mix up our glitter. So let's pick our glitter colors. This guy is going to be mostly orange. So for the most part, I want this orange. And then I want some brown. Pretty fair amount of brown because I want these to be pretty dark eyes. And just a pinch of the platinum silver. So what I like to do is get a feel for this while it's dry, because this is what it's actually going to look like, is what it looks like when it's dry. So I actually want a little more brown in there. Oh, that's exactly what I want right there. So there's my nice, pretty custom color. And in order to put it all together, we're just going to add Mod-Podge. Now, it doesn't really matter how much Mod-Podge you put in. If you put too much, you're going to have to do a lot of coats before you get the amount of glitter on that you like. But that's really going to be your only downflaw of using too much Mod-Podge to mix your glitter, because it will thin it out, but you can easily remedy that on the eye by just painting more layers. So easy peasy, we're going to paint our eyes. You start at the post and pull out away from the post. So it's kind of, for the sake of the video, post and then out like a fan. See how that works? And then you're not going to get any paint on the rounded side of the eye. You're only painting the flat back of the eye. Paint all the way to the edge, but don't go over the edge. You want that edge to stay clean. And see, this is kind of difficult to do while I'm holding it in my fingers. So, yeah, come on, focus. There we go. Plus my camera really dislikes me doing it this way. Okay, so there's one coat. And I'm going to repeat that on this eye. And then I'm going to let this coat dry completely. That usually takes 15, 20 minutes. Doesn't take long. So feel free to put this on pretty thick. It definitely doesn't have to be perfect because glitter is very forgiving in that the Mod-Podge is going to dry clear. So you're going to be left with just your glitter no matter what anyway. So you might as well kind of layer it on there. If you put in thin layers, it just means you're going to have to do more coats. And if you put on thick layers, it just means less coats. So here's where my secret weapon comes in handy. These have to dry, but I want to still be able to use my glitter glue that I've already made, or my glitter Mod Podge. So I'm going to stick my whole palette in a Ziploc bag and my brush, because this I want to stay moist also. And then just seal this bad boy. And that will keep my Mod Podge damp and keep my glitter glue from drying while my eyes dry. So you're just going to repeat those 2 steps. Paint, dry, until your eyes have the amount of glitter on them that you want. Alright, so after 1 layer, this is what your glitter eye looks like. Let's see if I can get it nice and close. So you're going to just repeat this probably 4 more times. Alright, and so I've put 4 coats on our glitter eyes. And this is how they've turned out. So you can kind of see the brown and the silver in there. Pretty cool, right? And it's all just glitter because the Mod Podge has dried clear. And this is what the back looks like. And what I do with these, if you want to be able to wash them, which is a pretty important thing with most amigurumi, seal this back with clear nail polish. If you don't mind not being able to wash them, or if you don't ever plan on washing them, like if they're going to be an art piece, you can seal this with just a layer of the clear Mod Podge with no glitter in it. But because these are typically going to be washed, I seal them with clear nail polish. And make sure you press that clear nail polish all the way to the post so that it can't get in there. So, and press it all the way to the, or brush it all the way to the edges. So there's the back. And there is our finished glitter safety eye. Pretty cool, right? I would love to see any projects you guys have made with your painted safety eyes, or if you have any other cool techniques for painting safety eyes, please leave them in the comments. And I will talk to you guys all on the next tutorial. Bye!